That's pretty much my whole tour. Cool. It's much quicker than the actual traffic around here. That's a super cool run into Bastia. Very nice. Hi, and welcome to WannaGoBiking, and welcome to Corsica. I think this is an excellent place to open up my bikepacking account here in Corsica, or on Corsica probably. Yeah, this is Bastia, and this is my starting place for a 10 or so day tour, I hope. Unfortunately, it's drizzling, and more, well, severe rain is on the way, because that's the way of things, of course. Should be in the clear in a day or two, but yeah, fingers crossed. Yeah, just make a quick tour downtown Bastia, see a few of the sites. I think there's going to be a lot of Napoleon on this island, as he was from this island. So yeah, first order of business, let's navigate the old port over there and then head over that coastline. So hope you're with me. See you later. Bye. Giant monkey, a gorilla. That's an excellent idea. An ascenseur. See if it works. Or even better.
Étage 1.
Well, that worked. It's very quiet here. Well, it's a Monday. Cool. Squeal. Nice. So this is the cathedral. Almost I've missed it. Well, this sure had a nice outlook. Of course, they would have an exposition on Napoleon, the child from the island. I think we'll come across a lot of Napoleon this trip. Governor's Palace, oh, not bad. 1380. Well, it's not all meticulously maintained now. Wow. Café du Lycée. This pity is closed, but I now know a title song for this episode. Hit it, Serge. It's one delicious traffic jam up here. Beautiful.
Chaque fois qu'elle passe, je suis dans l'impasse. Je sais plus quoi dire. Je fais des sourires comme ça, bêtement. Chaque fois qu'elle passe, je fais des grimaces.
My whole tour. Cool. First true testament that I really love Napoleon here. I guess if you love your local heroes, then you depict them like a real hero and sort of Roman emperor. A bit over the top, I think, but oh well. Not quite sure if this is a piece of art or actually used to be a submarine. Well, let's see what it says. Seems like it really was. Wow. Karakteristiek. Well, that's a lot of text for you guys. I think my only real worry for this whole trip is that I'm pretty much going to follow the whole coastline like every other tourist. There's not many sideways I can take, not even off-road I don't think, so I hope the traffic is not going to be too bad, but yeah, that's really my really big concern. Here it's going to be bad, I can tell, but hopefully in a few kilometers it should sort itself out. Fingers crossed. So far so good. Well, left the outskirts of Bastia, so that went all right. Road service here, I think this is pretty much the main road on the island, but wow, it's not fantastic. Nice. That's a shame. The glacier is no more.
Elle m'a mis la peau du cœur à vif, que je lui voue un amour exclusif, que chaque nuit son absence me griffe. Je voudrais lui dire, mais 3 secondes et la voilà passée, et je m'accroche au comptoir du café, du lycée. Chaque fois qu'elle passe, je suis dans l'impasse. Je sais plus quoi dire. Je fais des sourires comme ça, bêtement, chaque fois qu'elle passe. Je fais des grimaces. Je sais plus quoi faire, c'est un mystère. Je voudrais lui dire qu'elle m'a mis la peau du cœur à nu, que je lui voue un amour éperdu, que chaque nuit son absence me tue. Je voudrais lui dire, mais 3 secondes et la voilà qui passe. Je voudrais faire agrandir la terrasse du café, du lycée, où chaque fois qu'elle passe, je suis dans l'impasse.
Oh, Centuri tower, I would imagine. Still does not look good. So far, I've been lucky today.
Je voudrais lui dire, mais elle passe au bras de son boy scout, qui lui parle de sa moto sans doute, et que dimanche ils iront sur les routes. Je voudrais lui dire, mais comme j'ai peur, je préfère me faire croire qu'un de ces midis, elle viendra s'asseoir et que je lui dirai que chaque fois qu'elle passe.
Well, I'm guessing it's some sign of saint, or as Napoleon again, but here it's pretty much the same thing.
Chaque fois qu'elle passe, je fais des grimaces. Je sais plus quoi faire. C'est un mystère.
Well, so far today, yes, there is definitely a continuous flow of traffic, but it's not overwhelming. So if it stays this way, then I'm very happy. Oh, got one very solid climb today. I think 10k, maybe less. But other than that, should be pretty much the easiest day. That's a big tower. So many remnants of Genovese. I think actually they're Genovese. events worked, as the city Genova, not quite sure what it is in English, used to rule here for 4 or 5 centuries, I think. From about 1400 till 1800, if I'm correct. Just a breather, and then on y va. Nice.
Vous faites le tour de la Corse?
Oui.
Ouais, c'est du bikepacking que vous faites.
Ouais, c'est ça. Bah peut-être à ce soir, on sait
Peut-être à ce
jamais,
soir,
hein.
ouais.
Ok, allez, bonne journée. Very heavy dark clouds all of a sudden. Oh. Well, there's only hope. And 10k of climbing. 400 meters. It's doable.
Je voudrais lui dire.
It's funny, all the names here are Italian. Of course, the Italians have ruled here for centuries, but nothing even remotely French. I'm quite chuffed with this little apartment. It was so hard to get a lodging in these parts, Port de Centuri, but yeah, finally made it. So yeah, well, so that's it. That's day one on Corsica done. Yeah, very short ride, only 60k if that, and not as tough as I thought it would be. That's because I skipped 100 meters of climbing and sent the drone up. So yeah, that's always a good option for me. Yeah, busy roads as I expected, but yeah, absolutely doable, and beautiful views all over the Mediterranean all day long. So that was fantastic. Tomorrow I will be going south again on this side of the sort of North Cape towards Saint-Florent, and that should be a very beautiful city. And actually, I just recently saw an episode on that on a French program about the most beautiful villages and places in France, and yeah, so I'm quite keen on finding out more on Saint-Florent, but that's for tomorrow. For now, thanks for watching, enjoy your rides, and stay safe. See you later, bye!